Mm-hmm. I love how these ones are sleeping on their two legs. And the way these ones are enjoying their feeds in the morning. Look at, they're beautiful, they're beautiful, they're beautiful. We're using Kivuda Herdsman feeders. And my friend, they are amazing in controlling food consumption. You guys are looking good. You stopped fighting? Huh? You became friends. Let's see how much they've left. Wow, this is amazing. I didn't believe that pigs could just have foods all day long and not consume them. Man. Hi, Piggy. You can see me. I see you too. Look at this one's taking leftover Panapia. So this is the routine. They take a bite of the food and then they leave the food. They go enjoy something else like that one. You see? Like that one. We haven't cleaned the pen yet. The style.